Hey guys, Happy-Go-Lucky here. Hope you're all okay. Here is another maths question of the day. We're going to do an algebra question today. It's question 9 from the Cambridge iGCSE Specimen paper 2, which is an extended paper, but it does come up on core papers or foundation papers and higher papers alike, so it's quite a common thing that people would get stuck on. Okay, the question is, rearrange the formula 5w minus 3y plus 7 equals 0 to make w the subject. So pause the question, have a look at it, give it a go, and then unpause and watch the work solutions. Best of luck, starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, we're back with the solutions. Rearrange the formula 5w minus 3y plus 7 equals 0 to make w the subject. That's what we're trying to get on its own. At the moment, 5w isn't w on its own, so we've got to try and get w separated from all the rest. Imagine we've got to put it in self-isolation in these troubled times. So we can't get to w at the moment because all these people are in the way, blocking us from getting to w. So minus 3y is in the way and plus 7 is in the way. So you can do it in one step or two steps. So let's break it down to two steps. The first step would be to snap off the plus 7. To get rid of plus 7, you have to take 7. And if you take 7 from one side, you take 7 from the other side. So that rearrange would now give us, we've still got the 5w minus 3y on one side, but on the other side we did have 0 and now we've got 0 minus 7. Okay, next stage, we've still got 5w, look, we need to get w on its own. We can't even get w because the y's in the way. So to get rid of the minus 3y, do the opposite to cancel it out, plus 3y. And if you plus 3y to that side, you got a plus 3y to that side. So that gives us, if we move out the way, we've got 5w on its own now, which is good news, equals, well, 0 take 7 is just minus 7. I like to put them in order positive first, so let's do it like that. 3y plus 3y, take away 7. Okay, if you got that far, you would get 1 mark, because you've made some attempt at trying to break it down. To get the full second mark, we need to not just have 5w, we need w. So to get rid of 5w, divide both sides by 5, which gives us w on its own, and this side, we can't really divide it by 5, but we can say our intention to divide it by 5. So we'll say we want this 3y minus 7 divided by 5. And that is how you rearrange the subject. So that would be 3y minus 7 divided by 5. Okay, while we're here, it's worth looking again at how you would do this as a kind of story, because I think it helps sometimes. So if you start with w, the first thing that w has to do, here's w here, the first thing that happens when w wakes up in the morning is he gets attached to times by 5, multiply by 5. So we'd say w, and then I have to multiply by 5. Then what happens? Well, after getting 5w'd, multiplying by 5, we have to take away 3y. And then even after that, the next job he's got to do is got to get added to 7. Okay, and that gives us 0. So that's our answer. So if we come back the other way, 0. If we come back the other way, we've got 0 first, and going, is it like you're pressing the rewind button? 0 take away 7 is obviously minus 7. And then we've got the opposite of minus 3y is plus 3y. And then after all that's happened, the last thing we've got to do is rewind multiplying. So the opposite of multiplying is dividing by 5. So effectively what we've got is we've got minus 7 plus 3y, and then divide that by 5. Or, if you prefer to write it like I do, with positive numbers first, we'll go 3y, take away 7, all over 5. Any one of those would give you the same answer, and it would give you 2 marks. for rearranging the subject. Hope you've enjoyed that one. I've been Happy Go Lucky. Keep watching, subscribe and like for more content. Lots more to come, I promise you. Thanks for watching. Bye.